Let me tell you something. World dog, man not grown and tell no lie. You get disgusting now with Swiss. A years you sit down and style up this and talk to Swiss in some fuck up ways. And Swiss sit down and tolerate it for the longest time. You need to learn to chill. And every man I will come around here where you can control. Swiss are the realest youth where you have around you, and that's just the fucking truth. I don't understand how can you get up and disrespect people and talk to anybody anyway, and you know say if people for talk to you that way and move to you that way, you're gonna feel some type of way, right? So why the fuck you do that with Swiss? Why? A years now you do it in a big man. A years now you do it. You're just looking for somebody to control. That's the whole thing. You just want to control people. You just want to lead people. People have their own life to live. And anything what you say, it goes. In my own big man. Sometimes you have to learn to chill. Know how to talk to people and know how to deal with people. Because you're disrespectful now. A long time Swiss sit down with this shit and him not say a word. And you keep on a disrespect the youth. There's a time when people are going to get tired of you. Like the internet. They're getting tired of your ass. I saw a video that you're talking about, you don't want nobody to come water down. You already water down, world dog. You already water down. People tired of your bullshit. People tired of it. Honestly. You need to check yourself before you wreck yourself, because that's what you're doing right now. You're sabotaging your own self. And you're going to make people don't want to be around you if you continue with that bullshit. Honestly. Swiss. Boundaries. Boundaries. Set your boundaries. And if him cross it, you let him go. Don't scare to let go of that friendship. Because you have your own fans. You have your own people, and you're good. You don't need him. So if you set your boundaries and tell him, say, yo, don't talk to me in certain ways. Because you won't like that. And if him keep crossing you, you let go of the friendship. You have to learn to set boundaries. You have to learn that. That is the reason why he's around you. That's the lesson. To learn boundaries. Set your boundaries and don't let nobody cross it. That's how people gonna respect you. So learn that.